If your Canon PIXMA E470 has suddenly stopped responding, is showing random errors, or simply feels stuck, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you the simplest, cleanest way to reset your Canon E470 back to its default settings. No complicated menus, no hidden codes, just a foolproof method anyone can follow. So stay with me till the end because one tiny mistake can make the reset fail. Let's dive right in. Before we perform the actual reset, the first thing you need to do is restart or power cycle the printer. This step clears any leftover print jobs, stuck commands, or temporary system glitches. Start by turning the printer off completely. Wait a few seconds, just enough to ensure it's fully powered down. Then turn it back on. Now you have a fresh starting point. Next comes the key part of the entire process, using the stop button. On the Canon PIXMA E470, this button is easy to spot, usually highlighted in red or clearly labeled stop on the front panel. Now, here's where people often make a mistake. The hold time. Press and hold the stop button and keep it pressed for about 20 full seconds. Do not release early, even if you see lights blinking or the printer making sounds. That 20-second duration is critical. Releasing it too early can interrupt the reset process and you'll have to start over. Once you complete the full hold duration and release the button, the printer will automatically begin its reset. You don't need to press anything else. The printer will refresh itself, clear previous settings, and return to its default configuration, just like when you first unboxed it. And that's it. No menus, no confusing setup screens. Just a simple power cycle, find the stop button, hold it for the full 20 seconds, and let that printer reset itself. If this helped you fix your Canon PIXMA E470, make sure to hit like and share it with someone who might be struggling with the same issue. And if you want more quick, clear tech guides just like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.